Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin new unit number 3, that is Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope. Dear students, our unit first is based on the background topics. One is on essay and another is on mock epic. Second unit is based on Francis Bacon's essays, which are 5 in number, which we have already completed. Now we are going to study unit 3rd, Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope. It is a mock epic. It is a satire, which is for 20 mark. Unit first is for 10 mark. You have to attempt any one question either on essay or on mock epic background study. Then unit second is for 20 mark. You have to highlight or you will be asked the question on Francis Bacon's essays. Philosophy of all the essays, or one essay will be asked for the exam. So the same way unit 3rd is again for 20 mark like the second one. In this unit, Alexander Pope go through the detailed study, exposure and the detailed picture of 18th century England. This Rape of the Lock is a mock epic. It is also called a satire. It is also called as a parody of epic. It is also highlights the 18th century England. It is also known as the text of neoclassical age, and also it very well focuses on the religions like Catholicism and Protestantism in England at the time of 18th century. Means this Rape of the Lock is a unique text, mock epic, poem, very well explores the 18th century lifestyle of bourgeois people, high class people, aristocratic people, or in short we call them as a very rich class or representatives. Dear students, this Rape of the Lock, which is divided in so many cantos 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is a very long narrative poem. It is a very long poem divided into the cantos. It highlights not only the people at that time but also their lifestyles, their religions, their hobbies and interests, and their ways of taking revenges and so on. So this Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope is one of the unique neoclassical poet, writer, and also a well-known social reformer. In this poem, Rape of the Lock, Alexander Pope not only appreciate the high class people but also scolds them, means expresses the bitter satire त्यांच्या जीवनशैलीवर, विचारशैलीवर, राहणीमानावर आणि एकंदरीत त्यांच्या जीवनक्रमावर तो टीका करतो. श्रीमंती, पैसा ह्या नावाखाली हे कसे जगतात, ज्याला कुठल्याच संस्कृतीमध्ये आपण नैतिकता म्हणू शकत नाही, चांगुलपणा म्हणू शकत नाही, त्या गोष्टी इथं ह्या रेप ऑफ द लॉक ह्या छोट्या विषयाद्वारे रिप्रेझेंट केलेले आहेत. कारण की रेप ऑफ द लॉक हा एक छोटा विषय आहे. ही एक छोट्या विषयावर अवलंबून असणारी किंवा उभे टाकलेली एक कविता आहे, जे की फार मोठं रूप धारण करते, परंतु मुळात विषय हा फार आणि फार छोटा आहे. आणि हा छोटा विषय ते कशा पद्धतीनं मोठा करू पाहतात, मोठा करतात, हे त्यामध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे. सो डिअर स्टुडंट्स, this rape of the law is based on the 18th century England. Lifestyle of high class people. It is a satire on the weaknesses, follies and vices. दुर्गुण असतील, कमतरता असतील, दोष असतील, याच्यावर केलेली एक सटायर आहे. Also a mock epic because it makes a comedy of epic, so it is called a mock epic. Means it makes a copy of epic, it makes a imitation of epic, it makes a parody of epic and stands as a mock. Mock means mockery. Mockery means थट्टा करणे, मस्करी करणे, मजा करणे, खिल्ली उडवणे, दोष दाखवणे, त्यावर हसणे. That is the mock. Mocking means हसणे. Epic means the sacred text, pure text, and mock epic means complete contrast, different, opposite to the epic. So this 18th century lifestyle, high class people's representation, satire, mock epic centers around the two characters. One is the Lord Peter and another is Belinda. These Lord Peter, also known as the Byron, and Belinda very well represent the high class society by their routine businesses, work, the communication, and the people they keep around and surround them. So this is very well represented by Alexander Pope. And this mock epic, which is a copy or contrast of epic, very well represents the unique style, and the very style that we like very well, most, that is the Alexander Pope's style. At one side, as a writer, poet, and Catholic, he very well represents thee, very well focuses on thee, very well appreciate thee lifestyle, belongings, possessions, and the around and surround circle gathering of these high class people. And on the other side, Alexander Pope, as a social reformer, ideal human being, moralist, very well satirizes, टीका करनी, very well satirizes the high class people, their wrong lifestyle, which is not mentioned as an ideal one in any culture. There, the very lifestyle of sleeping late and rising so late, that is not accepted in any ancient or modern time as an ideal one. And there, the very business is the only business of playing ombre games, playing cards, playing till the very late night, smoking, enjoying, drinking, dancing are the very and very pleasures, hobbies, and interests of these people. So, my dear student, when we go through each and every detailed description of the poem Maukipi, Rap of the Lock, we will move to the epic and mock epic means what, that we study in the next lecture. But before that, I will again discuss you the society, the 18th century society is known as a fashionable society because the very and very breadth, enjoyment, style, dream, and everything of these people is only enjoyment. Means the very aim and ambition of these people is only and only enjoyment. Means fell in love, drinking, smoking, playing ombre cards, dancing, sleeping late, rising late, and for each and every small to small work, they hire, they put or keep so many servant people, so many servants, so many peoples for their service. So, dear students, this is only meant or the only dream of the people of the 18th century, which is very well represented by Robert Peter, who is also known as Byron one, and the second is the Belinda. These two, Robert Peter and Belinda, very well represent the, the 18th century society, the style of these people, and for which they stand. Means what is their main motto, what is their main purpose, whatever is the main agenda of these people is very well represented by these two. Means this Byron and this Byron and Belinda are nothing but the representatives of the age, because these two are the main character of the poem or mock epic Rape of the Lock. Means these Lord Peter, known as the Byron and Belinda, are the representatives of these each and every respective class, because Belinda represents the high class women representative, while Byron Robert Peter represents the high class young people representation. So, both the young representatives, one from Belinda side, another from Byron, have both the tremendous ego of their possessives, belongings, status, identity, and so on. So, these people, because of their havingness, possessives, or the richness, they become the representatives of their class, and how they represent the culture, society, their age is very well represented by Alexander Pope through this poem, Rape of the Lock. So, this poem, Rape of the Lock, we can categorize it into so many parts, because we have called it as a 18th century representative poem. It is also a representation of high class. It is also satire. It is mock epic, and it is also a poem which we call as an abuse. So, when we go through this poem, we will find what is meant by mock epic. What is mean by a satire means? Satire is also a type of poem. Mock epic is also a type of poem. So, mock epic, satire, parody, these are the types of the poem, and the poem is categorized due to the content of the poems. What it stands for, what is the theme of the poem, and so on. So, this representation, which is the which is very well stand not only the text but also the context of the poem and surrounding, because this poem not only represent the poetry, poetical lines, the purpose of the poem itself, but it also beside that represent socio cultural, historical, religious, educational, economical, social background. Means it is a socio historical, religious, cultural, economical, educational status of the time. So each and everything very well portrayed by Alexander Pope through this poem only. So this poem, Rape of the Lock, the title itself is satiric. Satiric means टीका करण्यासारखं आहे, उपरोधात्मक आहे, हास्यात्मक आहे. Rape of the Lock means what you get by the meaning rape of the lock, that also I will very well clear you in the next class. So, with this brief information, I will stop today. Tomorrow we will go through this epic pattern, then mock epic pattern, and so on. So, this lecture number 23 is only the introductory lecture on this rape of the lock, little bit on Alexander Pope, and little bit of the content. In the next lecture number 24, we will go through in detail the epic means what and what is meant by mock epic in detail. With this, I stop here. Thank you very much.